Hello everyone, my name is Mike and I want to welcome you to my backyard garden. Today we're going to talk about okra, my summer crop. The growing conditions in Central Florida, Zone 9B, very hot and humid, not to my liking, so I grew a low maintenance crop, which okra is. Okra is high in nutrients, vitamins, and very versatile for soups and stews, or you can even fry it as an appetizer, which we have done. The okra on the left is too large really for consumption. It's tough and woody at this size. The one on the right, 3.5 inches is perfect size. This is the inside of the one that was on the left. You see how the seeds are round, brown, large, very ready to be planted. Very viable. Picture of okra. The two on the top were harvested a week ago. The one on the bottom harvested today. You can tell they start to age by getting little brown spots on them. I cut my okra into 1/2-inch pieces. They're a great size for frying, adding to your stews and gumbos at this size. Easy to freeze as well. The okra on the left are younger than the okra on the right. You can tell by the size of the seeds that are forming, but both are very edible at this point. A pile of okra from the garden next to a processed bag ready for the freezer. I put mine in 8-ounce containers in the freezer, perfect for making stews or gumbos. Again, this is Mike from my backyard garden. Thanks for hanging out in my backyard garden. Hit the like button if you can, and subscribe as well. It's very helpful to the channel, and I wish you well.